Well, I think you're spot on with kind of like that binge, kind of mindless eating. Especially, I'm sure that, everybody's screen time is going up on their devices and Apple's letting us know it. There's been a lot, probably more movies and Netflix being binged than, during a normal week for these kids. So it really all comes back to mindful eating, which is a topic that I address with a lot of my older clients, not as much with my younger clients, but it doesn't mean it's not equally as applicable. So my best tips for kind of avoiding the sort of temptation to binge eat is try not to eat in front of the TV or while you're on your phone. It's super easy to just like zone out into whatever show you're watching, or just like zone out into your Instagram news feed and just sort of like mindlessly, shovel chips, or hopefully it's grapes, but more than likely chips or candy bars, and before you know it, because your brain is not focused on your satiety cues, you're not going to recognize when you're full. And then all of a sudden you're going to be like, whoa, like I'm stuffed, or the bag of chips is going to run out. And you're like, oh, well, that's gone. So avoid eating in front of any sort of screen, use your dining room table or whatever. If whatever place that you're normally going to be eating, you want to just sit down there, have a conversation with somebody while you're eating, or just kind of use it as, some peaceful, quiet meditative time, so you can really slow down the process of eating and then listen to your body when it's telling you it's full.